Hey, welcome back to the American Made Classics YouTube channel, where we are striving to be your one-stop AMC shop here on YouTube. All the AMC content and all that fun stuff you could ever want. And hey, today I am excited to officially announce, the newest project to the channel, and that is my 1976 AMC Hornet original 304 V8 car. Yeah. And with that, basically, that's her in a nutshell. I'll give you some more sneak peeks in just a second. I'll give you a little bit of a history on it. I've owned the car 9 years. I've actually been around it for closer to 15. I actually was a kid, and a friend of mine actually owned the car. He bought it on eBay down in Illinois, and he basically painted it, did some upgrades and some go-fast parts on the engine, put a loud exhaust on it, and pushed her out the door. And yeah, he basically lost interest in it after that, and it sat by him for 5 years or so. And I was in college at the time and happened to be driving home to my parents, and I remember I saw that sitting out on the corner of the business he manages. He manages a fix-em-up place, car place, a mechanic shop. And I remember I saw it sitting there, and I'm like, holy crap, what the heck are you doing with the Hornet? And he said he was selling it, and I'm like, well, I know I gotta have that. So I ended up buying it from him. So hey, it's been the best decision I think I've ever made as far as owning a car. This is probably the most fun thing I have, absolutely, at least at the moment anyway. And we're gonna make it better. So yes, it's a revival. It still does run and drive, and it, looks good, ish. But I'm the owner. I know everything that's wrong with it, and believe me, this is a revival. And with the new event coming up here in a couple weeks, 3 weeks, the AMC Races event down in Cordova, Illinois. Or for me, it's down because I'm up. I'm in Wisconsin, so down. You get it. So anyway, we're gonna try to whip this old girl into shape. I know it needs like an idler arm. I just had the brakes gone through by him, who I had bought the car from, because I figured, you bought all the parts and you might be able to get parts for free. But anyway, he just ended up just turning the rotors down because you can't get rotors for this guy anymore. Shocker, who would have thought? AMC, hard to find parts. Who the hell would have thought? Oh, you got AMC guys, it's kind of a struggle, especially right now with shortages and stuff. So that is basically in a nutshell what we're doing. Excuse me, I'm making some videos here, probably quite a number of them. Probably split them up. I won't ruin it too much, but we're gonna basically whip it into shape, get it drag race ready, read the rules, change the oil maybe, just so she's got a fresh set, stuff like that. We're not sure how crazy we're gonna go as far as, at least right now, as the immediate plans are just to get her so she's track ready and just see what she does in its current state. And then at the same time, outside, that's why I'm pointing over here, because Frankentoe, we got to work on him too, because we're going to be putting the Hornet, on the back of Frankentoe to get us to Illinois, hopefully safely. So it might be some videos or two on Frankentoe as well. So with all that, I'm going to officially introduce you to my Hornet by playing you some clips I took of him the other day. Enjoy. And hey, if this project interests you, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and that little bell if you want to get updates as far as when I post new videos or anything in that matter, because we're going to have a lot of fun. All right, here's some live action for you.